Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will discuss about Waykar home dehumidifier error messages. This is the front side of the dehumidifier that shows the air outlet grill. This is the control panel. This is the water tank that is used for storing the water that is collected from the evaporator of the dehumidifier. And these are the caster wheels. This is the right side that shows the handle, air filter through which air enters into the dehumidifier, and this is the continuous drain port for the water that is collected in the evaporator of the dehumidifier. So this is the control panel that shows various buttons, indication, and the LCD display. This is the power on off button for the dehumidifier. This is the setting button. By using this button, the user can set the required relative humidity value from 30% to 85% RH in steps of 5%. And this is the bucket full indication. Whenever the internal bucket is full, this indication will come along with an error message. This is the LCD display that shows error codes and temperature and also the relative humidity value. This is the timer button. By using this button, the user can set the delay to start or delay to stop for the dehumidifier. And this is the speed selection button for the fan that is inside the dehumidifier. How a dehumidifier works, by seeing this diagram, the user can understand. The purpose of dehumidifier is only to control the humidity value, not the temperature. Here if you see, whatever the temperature the air entering, the same temperature is maintained at the outlet also. Only the humidity is controlled. So the air which is having high humidity that is present inside the room enters into the dehumidifier through the filter, and it passes over the evaporator. Evaporator is having a coil through which cold refrigerant flows. Whenever this humid air comes in contact with this cold coil, whatever excess water vapor that is present in the air will get condensed and it is collected in the bucket. Here you can see. So the purpose of condenser here is it has to raise the temperature of this cold air to the temperature of the air that is entering into the dehumidifier. After the condenser, so through this fan, the air is delivered out from the dehumidifier. The purpose of compressor here is, so it has to circulate the refrigerant from evaporator and then compressor and again condenser. So the cycle continues as long as the dehumidifier is in operation. The construction of the dehumidifier is very similar to that of a portable air conditioner. The only difference is in the dehumidifier the control parameter is humidity, whereas in portable air conditioner the control parameter is the temperature. Here you can see this is how the rear side of air conditioner will look. So after the condenser, the hot air need to be thrown out of the room, so by using this exhaust. So it is done by using this ducting. Whereas here if you see, so this condenser is used for increasing the temperature of this air that is coming from the evaporator. So this is the manual drain method and continuous drain method that is available in the dehumidifier. So the user can use any of the option depending upon the availability of the drain port. Whenever the user has having access to the drain, so the drain port can continuously connected to that drain by using a pipe. If the user is not having access to the drain, then they can use the internal tank for collecting the water that is coming from the evaporator, and whenever it is full, that need to be emptied and again the dehumidifier can be used. These are the different error codes. Whenever even error code is displayed, there is some problem with the humidity sensor, so the user has to troubleshoot that, and so corrective action need to be taken. Whenever E2 error code is displayed, means the defrost temperature sensor that is inside the evaporator is having some problem, means it has sensed some defrost in the evaporator, then this E2 error code will be displayed. And E4 error code will be displayed whenever the temperature sensor is having any problem, and E7 error code will be displayed whenever the bucket is full, then the user has to empty that bucket. These are the different error codes for this dehumidifier. And this is the troubleshooting procedure for the dehumidifier. So what is the problem, what is the possible cause, here it has given. So the exact cause the user has to identify, and it need to be rectified so that the dehumidifier can be used without any problem. Thank you for watching my video.